this is how we gonna grind it to sharpening the drill. It's a big drill, it's a 2.5 inches diameter. We use our lathe because we don't have the equipment to resharpen this big drill. We're gonna use this grinder. We grind it over here, and this is gonna be our guidance once we started to resharpen on the other things. I'll show you. And we equalize now this edge to be the same as this edge, and now we're gonna go on the other grinder and we're gonna resharpen it to become nice and easy. Yeah, we use the grinder instead buying whole machine. That's the setup. We hold it over here, put it in the center, push it a little bit, put the grinder, tighten it the grinder, and that's it. Thank you very much. Okay, this is the drill. We already sharpened it on the grinder over there. Now we sharpen it over here. We leave something to tilt it over here to have the cutting edge. And on this side, we just used the grinder to have a guidance to be equal on these two sides, not to be. And now we're gonna show you how it's cut. Hey guys, this is a wheel for a furnace we're making, and now we're showing you the drill which we just resharpen it, how it's cutting. And look at the drill, look at on this edge over here the chips, and look at on this side. And we did it on the lathe with center press on one side and grinder, and after that we regrind it to equalize the two cutting edges.
What is the diameter of this?
Hi, this is Angel from International Review. We just have a final cut of the big tool for the furnace. It's a final cut for 15.5 inches diameter. We machine it around, and it was about 16.5 inches. We was able to machine it down, we brought it out, and we're showing you how we machine the final cut. Yeah, it's our lathe. It's a lion, actually made in Bulgaria. They call European lion, and it's a C10. It's very good cut, clean cut. It's very good lathe, very solid, and thank you very much. Bye-bye. Okay, this is the shaft which we machined. Now we face it like this, and we're gonna already center it. We put it on the steady rest. We're gonna machine it. Then we're gonna machine it next. It's our lathe. Let's machine it the shaft. This is a radar fitting. We use the 4-notch chuck. We indicate it over here, and then we put on the steady rest to support it. And yes, that's our baby. This is the wheel which is gonna support maybe 200 tons of furnace on top of it. This is the one which we built it, and we installed this shaft in it. We warm it up to 300 degree to open it, and we shrink it, the shaft in it, and it's like a very press fit. It's gonna stay forever. We polish it a little bit, and this is the one which we did, and over here we have the other wheel. That's how we did it. It's the wheel for the furnace. It's a 15.5 inches diameter. The shaft is 4 and 15/16, and it's like 30 inches all long. The shaft, it's 30 inches, and it's a press fit in it. And yes, thank you very much for watching us. And again, this is the lathe which it's used in it for. Thank you very much, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.